Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 10.1 question number 3. For each given solid, identify the top view, front view and side view. Let us find. Here you see the first one, question number 1. Here you see question number 1. We shall solve question number 1. This is the top view, this is the side view and this is the front view, right? That means this is there are three squares, 1 2 3. That means this is the top view, right? This is the top view. This is the top view. Let's see this one, right? This one is this one, right? This one is the number 2. Number 2 is number 2. This one is front view, right? This is the front. Question number 2 is front view because there are two squares. Here also you see there is a side, there are two squares, therefore this is the side view. This is the side view. Either this is side view or this is front view, right? Both are same. Now question number 2. Question number 2, this one. You see there are 1 2 3. 3 squares are there on the top, right? 3 squares, right? Therefore we find that this is the top view, right? The first one, here there are two squares, there is 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2. That means this is the side view, right? This is the side view. Number 1 is the side view. This is the side view. And this one, 1 2 3, right? 1 2 3. That means this is the front view. 1 2 3. This is the front view. Number 2 is front view. This is the front view. And upside you see 1 2 3 4. 4 squares. 1 2 3 4. That means this is the top view. This is the top view. This is the top view. Right? Now question number C. Here you see question number C. This is the front, this is the top and this is the side, right? Here you see the front view. You see the 1 2 3 4 4 squares are there, right? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 squares are there, right? Therefore this is in question number C. In question number C we are getting that this is the there are two squares, 1 2. That means this is the top view. Number 1 is top view. This is the top view. Question number 2. Here you see that means 3 squares are there. 1 1. Here see this one, right? Question number here if you see from the side there is 1 2 3. That means 3 squares are there. 1 2 3. This is the side view. This is the side view. And front view 1 2 3 4 squares. 1 2 3 4. That means this is the front view. This is the front view of the squares. Front view of the figure. Right? Now you see this one, right? This one. In the top you see 1 2 3. 3 squares are there, right? In top, right? Inside 2 squares are there. 1 2. This is the side view. This is the side view. And this one 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. That means this is the front view. This is the front view. F R O N T. This is the front view. And inside you see here. This is the front view. 1 2 3 4. And inside and top view see 1 2 3 squares are there. This is the top view, right? This is the top view. Question number E. Question number E. That means this is the top view. 1 2 3. This is the top view, right? This is the top view. And this is the front view. This is the side view. Now question number E. Question number E here you see is this one. In top, from top your side 1 2 3. 3 squares are there, right? That means this is the top view, right? Front view and side view. Here you see the front view. Front view is there. This is the front view or side view. This one. Here you see in top view 1 2 3. 3 squares. That means 1 2 3. This is the top view. This is the top view. This is the top view, right? This is the top view. This is the top view, right? And here you see, if you see from the side, that is this one is the side view 1 2 and this one, right? This is the side view. This is the side view. right? And this one you see, if we see from the front, 1 2 3 scores are there. I mean, this is the front view. Here see, this is the front view. This is the front or side view? Front view. This is the front view. This is the front view, right? If you see from the front, there is 1 2 3 1 2 3. From the top, 1 2 3, this is the top view. And this is the side view. Here see the side 1 2 and 3, right? This is the side view, right? We find that in the first case, here you see, here in the first case, here you see the top view, 1 2 3 squares are there. The 1 2 3, this is the top view. Front view, here you see front, in front there are 2 squares, therefore this is the front view. And side view, there are 2 squares here, that means this is side view. For this case, question number 2, here see, if you see from the side, there is 1 and 2 squares are there. This is the side view. And front view is this one, 1 2 3 3 squares, 1 2 3, this is the front square. And top is the 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, this is the top view. Now question number C. Question number C is top. From the top view, you see this squares and this square, that means this is the top view. And side view, 1 2 3, this is the side view. Front view is 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, this is the front view. Now question number D. Question number D, here you see, if you see from the side, 1 2, that is the side view. Front 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, this is the front view. And this is the top view, 1 2 3, this is the top view. Now question number E. Question number E, you see front from front view, that is if you see from the front, that is 1 2 3 squares are there, 1 2 3, this is the front view, right? And this is the top view, 1 2 3, 3 squares are there on the top. And from the side, if you see, that is 1 2 3, 3 is there, this is the side view, right? Side or front view, both are same. Side view and front view are same. Here also you see, there is this one is front view or side view. This is also front view or side view. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and thank you everybody for watching this video.